I thought that a remote control was only for controlling the TV and DVD players. But no, you can use any remote control to turn on your TV, to turn on your light, to turn on your fans, your car garage door, refrigerator, anything. In this project I'm gonna show you how to turn on use this light bulb, the second light bulb, and the third one is for buzzer, and the fourth is for the motor spinning, using my own remote control, which I have been using. It's almost destroyed. It's almost break already. Very old. Okay, I can still use it. Well, to do that I have to write a program. First of all, the program looks like this, and I have to know how the remote control is working. First, the tip of the remote controller, on the top you see like a small bulb that is a transmitter. Anytime you hit a button, it is sending a signal, infrared signal, about 40 kilohertz frequency, and that signal is going through this receiver. The most interesting thing is, let's say, when you hit number 1, it sends code number. The number 2 sends some kind of code number, different code number 3, and each code number is different depend on the brand, like Panasonic, Sony. The number 1 code is different than Sonic number 1, so each one send different codes. So that code is going through this receiver, and this receiver is telling this microcontroller, and then the way you program, the microcontroller tell the whole circuits to work based on your program. So enough talking, let's start. Okay, and let me hit number 1. When I hit number 1, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, the first light is on. So let me make it stop by pressing the stop button. What about number 2? 3, 2, 1, 0. Wow, so bright, huh? Stop. That's enough. Alright, the third one is buzzer. I used button 1, 2, 3, 4 and stop, and finally for repeat button. Alright, 3. The 3 button, be careful, it's gonna be noisy a little bit. 3, 2, 1, 0. Wow. Yeah, I told you. It's so noisy. Stop. That's enough. Too noisy. Okay, he stopped now. Alright, the fourth one is a motor. 3, 2, 1, 0. Motor spin. The motor is spinning. This motor need high power. It sucks a lot of power, so I give 9-volt battery, external 9-volt battery, and the transistor. This transistor is amplifying the signal from the microcontroller, and so that this higher power current is flowing. If you're used to turn on your fan, something like this, you might need to use instead of the transistor, you might need to use a relay. Well, it is good spinning it up, so let me make it stop. Well, it says stop. Okay, in real, whatever I hit, I wanna let you see that the screen is showing you whatever I hit. So let's say if I hit number 1, okay, the light turn on. Look at the screen. What? Yeah, button number 1. If I hit number 2, it said button number 2, and the code number it is receiving. Well, in real life you don't need to see what is going on with your program. what you wanna care about is you want that the work is done. Correct. That's it. This is a basic theory of how a digital data is communicating. Alright, thank you.